Think you can't afford a property manager for your rental or that tenants are going to trash your property? You might be operating on outdated and expensive assumptions. Attempting to manage your rental property by yourself could cost you more than just your time. In today's video, I want to bust the top 3 myths that are holding landlords back from being more successful. If you enjoy this content, please take a minute to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel. I'm sure many of us believe this, convinced no one would care for your property like you would, and being on call 24/7 for leaky faucets and locked out tenants. Oftentimes, owners are exhausted and not even maximizing on a profit, just saving on a fee. What is going to be the turning point for you? A 2 a.m. phone call about a burst pipe? Why wait until you're fumbling around for a plumber's phone number to realize you're not a savvy investor, but an overworked handyman? Hiring a manager doesn't make you lazy, it makes you smart, saving time and money, freeing you up to do things that you love, whether it's spending time with family or investing in more real estate. Myth number 1, you don't need a property manager if you only have one property. This is the biggest myth of them all. Having a property with a property manager has established systems, screenings, items in place that allow you to free up your time and not make costly missteps with placing the wrong resident or taking care of maintenance on a one-off basis. Working with a management company frees you up to be able to operate within their network and use their systems, and saving you money during the process. Myth number 2, tenants will always destroy my property. Bad tenants will harm your property, but great tenants will treat your property like home. Placing good residents isn't just luck, it's a rigorous screening process. This is something that an established property management company always brings to the table and is able to vet for bad actors and people that aren't going to take care of your home or pay rent on time. Myth number 3, it's cheaper to do it yourself. Let's do the math. What's your time worth? Now, calculate the hours you spend advertising, showing the unit, screening, coordinating repairs. All this adds up. Now factor in the hidden costs of vacancy, sitting on market without anyone paying rent, and placing a resident in a hurry without doing a proper screening. Not to mention, most self-managers are typically 10 to 15% under rented. And if you haven't done a price increase in a year or so, I'm talking to you. Stop letting myths dictate your strategy. A property manager isn't a cost, it's a force multiplier for your investment property. If you've got any questions about our services or anything that we provide at Tide Property Management, please don't hesitate to reach out.